Well, we came back to Solva 10 years ago. My wife has long-standing connections here, and we came to an already vibrant, thriving community. And there's lots to do if you want to get involved. So I got involved. I got involved in Solva Care. I got involved in, we're doing a community land trust to address the big issues of a lack of affordable housing here right across the spectrum. This afternoon, for example, we have a Friday afternoon club, and I'll shortly be leading a session of seasoned individuals in a session of Qigong.
So a lot of things goes on that doesn't necessarily end up on my very detailed spreadsheet, but it's happening because they feel that it's okay to help other people, and it's what we do in Solva.